Hurricane Michael came on shore at Manteca Beach, Florida at max strength of 155 miles per hour on October 10th, 2018 as a strong Category 4 hurricane, making him the most destructive and most deadliest hurricane to ever hit the Panhandle, leaving 36 people dead and millions and thousands of people across the southeast homeless, especially across the northern part of Florida. Hundreds of people need our help, and thousands of people are calling for gratitude. And we need people to please donate to thehelpflorida.org and help people who need the supplies and the common toiletries and basic initials. Please, if you can, help those who lost their friends, their materials, their houses, schools, and jobs. We need and all the help that we could get, and we will really appreciate if people can come together and help us in any way possible. And please spare us and spare the people. We will give anything to make sure that all people get the help that they need.